welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really fun one. For this video, I have teamed up with Silk Oil of Morocco to bring you this makeup look. Everything that I have used is completely the Silk Oil of Morocco brand. Their brand is certified organic. They have vegan products and they also are cruelty free, which is awesome, especially if you want to go down that clean makeup route and you want to stick to organic products, and it's a bonus that they are vegan and cruelty free. So a little bit of a backstory behind the Silk Oil of Morocco brand. So I've just got their webpage up, and what it says on here is Silk Oil of Morocco are an Australian family-owned business and manufacturer of hair care, skincare, vegan-friendly cosmetic products, all of which are infused with the revolutionary cold press certified organic argan oil. Prides themselves in the quality and performance of their entire range. Manufactured to the strictest European specifications, customers can relax in the knowledge that they are using a professional product that are not only safe and effective, but cruelty-free too. Enjoy superior and highly effective products that provide a luxurious experience time after time. So I don't know about you guys, but that sounds pretty incredible. And before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notifications button right next to it. That way you don't miss out on a single video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Pop some comments down below as well. I will link all of the products that I have used and the Silk Oil of Morocco website down below, so you guys can purchase it if you see anything that you like. If you want to see how I used all of their products and how I created this maroon smoky eye. And the first thing I'm going to do is prep my skin with a primer. So I'm going to grab the Silk Oil of Morocco antioxidant primer. It is infused with cold press certified organic argan oil, and it says on the back, the Silk Oil of Morocco's argan antioxidant primer provides a perfect moisturizing base prior to makeup application, enriched with cold press certified organic argan oil and green tea extract. Ooh. The lightweight, exquisite cream is packed full of vitamins and antioxidants to assist in makeup longevity and to promote a radiant, healthy glow and leave the skin smooth and hydrated. Yes, that sounds perfect. And can we just appreciate this packaging? Like, the foundation is the same. So like luxurious, so bougie. And the packaging feels really solid too. Like usually packaging like this, I always think it's going to be like really lightweight and like real plasticky, but this feels pretty like they feel solid, which is awesome. And it's cute because it comes with this little stopper here just to prevent this getting all clogged up with product. And it's a little leaf. It's a really cute leaf. So I'm just going to pull that out and I'm going to pop this on. I'm going to pump 2 pumps into my hand. Smooth it onto my face. Oh my god, it smells so beautiful. It smells like very organic. It smells very like healthy, like good for your skin. I feel like this is going to be a perfect primer for me in winter when I'm a little bit more dry. And now I'm going to grab the foundation. So this is the Argan Liquid Foundation. Once again, infused with cold pressed certified argan oil, certified organic argan oil. So this foundation is a light to medium coverage that is buildable. So we'll see how much we can build this up because you guys know I do like a full coverage. So we'll see how we go. And this is in the shade beige or medium. So I'm just going to put a couple of pumps on my hand and I'm just going to pop that on with my Urban Decay optical blurring brush, and the color looks quite good. Alright, so that is one layer. So I definitely say it is that light coverage. I'm going to do another layer just to build up a little bit more. So I've managed to build it up to a good sort of medium coverage. I definitely found I did need that second layer for a fuller coverage. But if you're someone who likes a really lightweight foundation, just a really light coverage, or more like a tinted moisturizer with a good coverage, this is really good for that. Now just to add a bit more coverage, I am going to spot conceal. So I'm going to grab the Silk Argan Creamy Concealer. And this one is in the shade medium as well. So I'm just going to pop this where I need a little bit more coverage. And I'm going to pop some under my eyes as well. And I'm just going to buff that in with the same foundation brush, the Urban Decay Optical Blurring. Pat it in like I would with a beauty blender. Just kind of pressing it, stippling it. And I'm just going to get the edge of the brush and just give a soft blend under the eye. And now I'm going to grab a bronzer. So this is the Argan 7-in-1 bronzer in the shade Dark. So it is a loose bronzer, which I never usually use. I am always a pressed person, but we'll give this one a go. Cool. So I've just got a small amount in the lid, and I'm just going to grab my Too Faced Mr. Right brush. Frame my forehead. And now I'm going to grab the blush. So it is the same loose sort of formula like the bronzer is. This one is the Argan Blush Moroccan Summer. And I'm going to pop it on with my Real Techniques blush brush. And buff it into the cheeks. And now for a subtle highlight. So I'm going to grab the Highlighting Trio. So this is a beautiful highlighting palette with 3 different shades, and I am going to use the shade Pick Me Up, which is the darkest of the 3, so it's got a really nice golden tone to it. And I'm just going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. Ooh, that is like stunning. Oh my god, am I like the only one that's seeing how amazing that is? Like, oh, that's just like one swipe. Bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, just pop it on the tip of my nose and blend it in. And now I'm going to do my brows. So I am going to grab the Fiber Brow Enhancer in the shade Medium. So this one is like almost like a powder. I think it's kind of like a loose powder. Looks like little fibers. So it's really cute. This is going to be good to just fill in my brows and keep them nice and soft and just filled in really subtly. Bulk of the brow. I would say this is a really quick and easy way to do brows. And now for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to pick up one of the individual shadows. This one is an Argan Pressed eyeshadow in the shade Maroon. I'm just going to pop that all over my lid with the number 10 crease brush from Smjp. Just going to bring it up towards the brow. Blending it out in circular motions up through the crease and just under the brow bone. And now I'm going to pick up the Vegan Eye Shimmer in the shade Behave Yourself. So it's like a loose pigment. And this time I am going to peel off the little sticker. And this one is like a really pretty, like burgundy sort of shimmer shade. Like really pretty. And I'm just going to pop that on with my MAC 213 brush. And I'm just going to pop this on my lid in the first sort of 1/3 of my eye. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab the Smjp brush that we used before and give it a bit of a blend, make sure everything's nice and seamless. I haven't picked up any more product. Also just going to blend it in down to the bottom lash line. Because there was still a decent amount of product on the brush. I did not need to pick up any more. And now to deepen the outer lid, I'm going to grab another Argan Pressed eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Night, so it's just like a matte black colour. And I'm just going to pop this on with my MAC 217 brush. I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner. So starting off in the very outer corner of the eye, building it up, and then slowly bringing what's left into the crease. take it down to the bottom lash line as well. And now I'm going to grab another one of the vegan eye shimmers, and this one is in the shade Golden Bronze. This one looks gorgeous as well. And I'm just going to grab my Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of this in the inner corner. Ooh! Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. That is so like golden. And what I'm also going to do is put a small amount right in the center, just near the lash line. Gorgeous. I'm just going to blend it in. And now I'm just going to pick up the highlighting trio again, and I'm going to grab the same Pick Me Up shade, this one here, and I'm just going to use the same brush, the Morphe E18. I'm just going to dust off whatever's left over. I'm just going to highlight under the brow bone. Just to give it a nice pop. And now I'm going to grab the Argan eyeliner, and I'm just going to tightline with this and smoke out my lash line. So I usually like to look really creepy and pull my eye to the side and get it right into the lashes. And now for mascara. So I'm going to pick up this cute little package. So what this is a mascara, so the defining mascara, and also mascara fibers, which is awesome. So it's a little 2-in-1. First thing I'm going to do is grab the Argan Oil Defining Mascara. So we're just going to coat the lashes with this first. Starting from the root all the way to the end. And then I'm going to take the fibers, and I like that these are black fibers. So I'm just going to pop this over the top of where we put the mascara, really focusing most of it on the tips just because that's where I want my length. Then going back in with the mascara over the top. Fibers on. Another coat of mascara. And last but not least, I'm going to grab the vegan lip balm. And just for an extra effect, I'm going to pick up the trio again and pick up the highlighting shade Pick Me Up. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my ring finger. And pat that into the center of the lid. And that just gives it a bit of extra shine. Perfect. So that is the end of the video. This was a really quick tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I do want to thank Silk Oil of Morocco for sponsoring this video and for sending me these amazing goodies. I definitely love anything that is certified organic. They're also vegan and cruelty free. Pretty much ticks all the boxes. So Silk Oil of Morocco are awesome if you want to go down that organic, sort of certified organic, pure makeup route. They are definitely on the top of my list for pure organic, certified organic makeup. The fact that they are vegan and cruelty free is an extra bonus in my book. Definitely mad respect for that. I have loved the products that I've tried, and the eyeshadows are so pigmented. So they are amazing. And before you leave, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell right next to it. That way you do not miss out on a single video. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Pop some comments down below as well, especially if you've got some favorite like organic or cruelty-free makeup brands. Definitely pop them down below. I will always appreciate that. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!